business tour guide. In our last episode, we visited fuel tax credits. So join me today as we continue our exploration of business registrations, taking a look at business names. Now, business names are extremely important. Every business has one, and we all know you spend a lot of time picking out that perfect name when you start out in business. Now, your name can become very valuable. It forms part of your reputation and so part of your goodwill. And it's something that we consider when we're valuing your business for sale. So it's really important. Now, business names are considered part of your intellectual property or your IP. So, do you have to register a business name, and how do you go about doing that? Well, if I'm out and about, I'm just trading as myself, so Sandra Koschel, I don't need to use a business name or apply for a business name. But if I trade under any other name, so Sandra's Sensational Scarves, then I have to go and apply for a business name. Now, you apply for a business name through the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or the ASIC. Now, they've taken over the regulation of business names fairly recently. It's not expensive to get a business name. You can get a 1-year registration for $33 and a 3-year registration for $76. Now, before ASIC took over, business names were state-based, but now they are actually national. Now, it's important to remember you need an ABN or in the process of applying for an ABN to get a business name. And if you are trading through a company or trust, it's really important to make sure that the right person is applying for that name. So if you are trading in a company, it's the company that really has to apply for that trading name because it's the one that's going to be using it, rather than yourself individually. Now, the other really important thing to remember is that there's a difference between trading names, company names, business names, domain names, and it can get really important. Now, you might think that registering your business name means you own it, and that's not actually the case. You have to take further steps, like registering a trademark, to actually own that name and protect the intellectual property rights in that brand or name. Now, IP Australia, who regulate trademarks and copyrights and those sorts of things, have developed just recently a simplified online tool so that you can go there, it's called TM Check, and you can go and you can search to see if a name is already trademarked. Because if you go and apply for a business name and someone already has it trademarked, you're actually infringing on that trademark, so that's a big no-no. So the obligation to register a business name is a legal one and you must do that, but again, it doesn't mean you own the name, so you need to be really careful and take the right steps first. So business names are important, and it's important to get them right, so please seek professional advice. That's all we've got time for today, but please join me in our next episode. We'll be continuing our exploration of business registrations.